guys, welcome back, and as you can see, we're going for it today. It is mermaid meets unicorn festival concert. It's everything. I got really inspired. I wanted to use a ton of glitter because who doesn't? And I thought, well, let's have some fun and pretend we're unicorns. So if you want to see how I get this look, please keep watching. Okay, we're gonna get right into it so it's not like 100 years long. Probably going to do some of this talk through and then some of it just fast forward so we can just get to the point. So first things first, I'm going to do my eyes. I've already primed them. This is a unicorn look, so we are doing bright, bright colors and definitely nothing that I would wear like anywhere besides like maybe a Halloween party or something. So first thing, I'm going to take this really bright orange color in through the crease. Now you can be messy with it because we are obviously gonna clean it all up and use lashes and all of that. Then on a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take maybe this one, just a little bit, and run that through the crease a little lower just to give it a little bit more depth. Okay, and then next, get ready for it. Just get ready for it. I am going to be using the Morphe 35E palette, and we are going to use this pink. Ba-bam. And I'm actually just going to use my fingers like this. It'll go on heavier with your finger. Just a little trick. See what I'm saying? A lot of times, like, you'll put your brush into the pans of eyeshadow and you go to put it on your eye and it's like, I'm sorry, where did it go? Like it just fell off by the time it made its way to the lid. So just try using your finger if you want something that's like really pigmented. I'm going to take a little of this yellow, and run that through the crease as well. Cleaner brush. All right, and then I think now I'll take a little bit of the other pink. Whew. And go just above this pink. Then next what I might do is take a little bit of this Wine and Dine color from the Violet Voss palette. Go ahead and put that through the crease. This really is all about blending, so you need to have mad brushes. And then last, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take some of that dark purple right here. Put a little bit through there. I'm going to take a light champagne-y pink color, kind of just go over One thing I kind of did when I was doing this is I might have been a little too heavy-handed with my finger because I really wanted the pink to just be so boom in your face that I might have just been like, but that's okay. You just have to blend more. Okay, so that's pretty much the eyelids done. Now I'm cleaning up all the fallout, which, believe me, there's a ton of it. Yeah, looking crazy. Have my eyeliner, top and bottom. And I'm just going to make sure it's sharp. And this probably looks wicked crazy. Obviously, I can't see myself. Bringing the eyeliner right down. All right, I'm gonna put on my mascara and eyelashes and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. I wasn't going to do the Lilly lashes in Miami, but I just thought, let's do it. This look is so extra. Might as well have some extra lashes. Let me tell you, these things are heavy, like heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. So I'm probably just going to fast forward through this part because you've all seen me put on my foundation and concealer and bronzer a zillion and one times. Okay, so before I move on to the powder products, I am going to use this glitter sunscreen. It's by Beach Gypsy. This is just gold glitter. They have like pink glitter and rainbow glitter, and I'm loving it. But people might think it's a little juvenile, but whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I just put a little bit on the back of my hand.
All over here.
The camera's not really picking up on it. Like I can see one little thing. I mean, I don't know if you could see it on my hand. It's pretty cool, huh? Something different. Be cuter if I was tanner, but. Okay, so now is where we do the glitter and everything else. Now this is called Unicorn Chunky Glitter. Very anxious to try it. This is going to be a mess. Duh, Ashley, it's glitter. Woofity woof woof. Take my tweezers. Holy, they packed this right full, didn't they? It's hard. No. No. Okay, so this takes a hot minute. So what I've been doing is I just dip a brush in my little glue, kind of place it wherever. And then I dip that brush into the glitter. But because it's glue, it picks up like a ton and then it melts together. Before I can get to my face, it's already stuck together. So this is a patient process. And a messy one, I might add. See how I'm just, it won't come off the brush. Now the funniest thing about all this crap today is that I totally forgot my husband's out of work early and we are painting our basement this weekend, so we have to go to Home Depot today to get everything like this. And it's not like I can just take it off. It's like either I go like this or I go nothing. Hey, this could be like, this is a way of like selling my skills, I guess. Like, hey, you want to look like a unicorn today with glitter all over your face? Let's do it. Come on over. Go to Home Depot. Pick out some paint. Which, let's keep it real, I probably will not be doing much of the painting because I painted so much when we first moved in here and I was exhausted. And I'll be honest with you, I suck at it. I suck at it. I was in my daughter's room. We had brand new carpet on the floor. Like nobody's even walked on it. And lo and behold, I spilled a whole can of white paint. I might as well have just taken a paintbrush out and painted the freaking floor. Or just take the paint can and dump. I still can't even laugh about it because it was just, it sucked. It sucked so much. So, that's all right. Live and learn. But my husband's just better at some things, so we'll let him do it. I'll buy lunch. I'm good at that stuff. I'll bake cookies and treats. This whole house is covered in wood paneling. Like, it exploded. All right, now I'm just getting kind of carried away. So last night, for whatever reason, sorry I haven't really been talking that much through this because honestly, when I'm doing something that requires a lot of focus, like I can't talk. Lucky my husband's so cool. Like most husbands would be kind of pissed. They had glitter all over their bedroom. Part of me wants to go down the nose, but then before you know it, I might as well just slather glue all over my face and be done with it. So my last little spot I'm going to do is my inner corner. Yo, this brush is just covered. So anyways, last night, my husband and I were just being stupid. And I don't know how we got on the topic of talking about being broke. Probably because we are broke, you know. We talk about wanting to do all these things to the house, and it's like, oh yeah, you need money for that. I started thinking, like, I'm so broke. I'm like, there's got to be a joke. So I looked it up, and this is what we did last night. We looked up I'm so broke jokes. But, so there was a couple that were just so funny. This one goes, I'm so broke, I go to KFC and lick other people's fingers. I thought it was funny. I'm so broke just to rub two nickels together, I have to borrow one. Funny. I think it's funny. If I stopped on a dime, I'd probably owe it to somebody. And maybe I'm just pathetic, and that type of stuff is stupid. But I was laughing so hard. Guess I'm just a big dork who laughs at stupid stuff. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun makeup look. You know, I wish we could wear glitter like this. Back when I was in high school, my girlfriends and I used to have like glitter sticks. And we used to put them like right here, but you know, that was the 90s. Get it together. Obviously, you don't have to go this crazy. A little on the cheek is cute. Up in here is cute. I've seen some people just do it down the nose. That's cute too. Like, whatever. I was just going with it, and I love it. It's something different. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.